Jaden Rizal Tala, and now I will show you the final requirements for E-Elect 2. The mechanical sequence is A plus, B plus, C plus, C minus, B minus, and A minus. And now I will show you how the connection will work. Now I'm done with the connection of wires and air hose. And now this cylinder is A, cylinder B, and cylinder C. Now we will proceed on programming the PLC with the correct sequence. Now we will start the power source and open the valve. here you have it. A plus, B plus, C minus, B minus, A minus. Thank you.
Picture na ako balik.
Okay. Hello, now we will talk about the document of the final activity. First is the mechanical sequence, the A plus, B plus, C plus, then C minus, B minus, A minus. Now we will go to the pneumatic circuit. The small triangular figure is represented as the compressed air that is connected to three different 5/2-way valves that are also connected to double acting cylinders. The double acting cylinders of each, first the A, it is listed for A plus as LS1 and A minus LS2, and for cylinder B represented as B plus as LS3 and B minus as LS4, and the final is cylinder C represented as C plus as LS5 and C minus as LS6. Now we will proceed to the PLC input-output list. First table is shown as the input of the PLC. The address X0 to X7 is located at the PLC Mitsubishi device, and the description start button and LS1 are the connection between the PLC to the other device, such as X0 and X1 to the push buttons that will start and stop the whole circuit, and X2 to X7 are connected to the double acting cylinders. The output is the shown in the second table as represented at address Y0 to Y5. So they are also located in the Mitsubishi PLC, and the description A plus to A minus is the sequence that will produce the outcome of the double acting cylinders. The third table is the relay of the whole circuit. The address as MO to M6 are connected between the PLC to the other relays described as R1 to R7 that are the 5 two-way valves. Next, we will go to the PLC ladder diagram. X1 is represented as the stop button and X2 is the start. It will continue as if you press X1, it will continue as a loop to M1, going to a relay to M0, opening, closing the M0, and proceeding to the next bracket that will produce as M1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. This is the input part of the table, and next this is the Y version, so the output. So as the flow continues here, each relay will show us the output as A plus, B plus, C plus, then C minus, B minus, and A minus, and continue as a loop with a parallel M6 at the first bracket. So this is the documentation and the PLC wire diagram. So it's shown as the COM is connected to 24 volt DC. So it is also connected to the 24 volt DC is connected to a start and stop buttons that is connected to the PLC. It is also parallel, the source is also parallel to the cylinders A, B, and C that are also connected to the PLC. While the second COM is also parallel to the output of the PLC, producing the movement of ABC plus to CBA minus, the outcome and the sequence of the circuit. So this ends our talk about the documentation of the final project.